Welcome to another how-to video. Hey everyone, our topic for today is all about how to change the name in Outlook Mail. So first, open your web browser and type outlook.live.com. After that, log into your account so that we can start the tutorial. As you can see, I am already logged in. So all you have to do is click your profile, which is located at the top right of your screen. Now, click in the Profile tab, click My Microsoft Account. As you can see, we are in a new tab. While we are in a new tab, click your info, which is located at the left side of your screen. In your info tab, click Edit Name, located at the right side of the screen, above Edit Profile Info. Now, you can change your name here. After you change your name, enter the CAPTCHA. After that, click Save. As you can see from the result, my last name changed, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.